Once you have set up your class in your planner, today's lesson will be the page you see every time you access Open Court Reading. This is the current lesson based on your planner. To view a different lesson, select the navigation banner and select a unit, lesson, and day from the drop-down lists. Below the navigation banner is the outline for the lesson. The top of the tab lists the materials needed for this lesson and the lesson objectives. Use the link to access that resource. Select the ellipsis to expand the list of materials or objectives. The standards covered in the lesson are located to the right. Hover over each standard code to read the full standard. The lesson is broken into sections where you will find individual blades for each activity. Expand a blade to view the activity and all the information you need to complete it in class, including the standard it covers. Hover over an icon for additional tips for teaching the activity. Select the Show Guide toggles above the blades to view English language or intervention guides. If the activity has additional support for EL or intervention, it will appear. Select the ePresentation button in the upper right corner of the page to open the ePresentation for this lesson in a new window. Specific ePresentation resources can also be accessed from within the lesson. When you expand a blade, any related ePresentation resources appear to the right. Select today's lesson to return to this page from any place in the program. This concludes our guide to today's lesson. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Open Court Reading program.